Hi kabahay! So ito nga pala ang ating property na featured for today is Larissa Model. This is a single attached unit located here in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Kaya kung ikaw ay naghanap ng ready for occupancy or pre-selling stage, itong Larissa Model natin is available with a lot area of 119 square meters and floor area of 117 square meters. Tara check natin ang ating property. By the way mga kabahay, ito nga palang property natin na Clarissa Model is meron ng one carport. As you can see, naka-tiles po ang ating flooring. Meron tayong setback dito na 1 meter. And then on the other side, meron din tayo dito setback na 1 meter also. Tara, check naman natin ang ating property dito sa side na to. So as you can see, pwede tayo maglagay dito ng garden sa ating frontage. Welcome mga kabahay dito sa ating Clarissa Model. So, andito tayo ngayon sa ating living area. So, as you can see, ito pong ating model for this Clarissa Model is dress-up unit. By the way, we have separate computation if you want to avail this with furnitures. So, from here sa living area, dito po ang ating staircase papunta sa ating second floor. On this area naman would be the dining area. So, as you can see sa ating dining area, it can accommodate 6 seaters na tables. And then, meron tayo dito door access papunta sa ating setback, which we can use as lanai area. On this side naman mga kabahay will be your kitchen area. So, as you can see, meron tayo dito mga built-in cabinets. And this is the over and under cabinets. Meron na rin tayo dito kitchen sink na available. And then on this side naman, meron tayong access papunta sa ating service area. On this side naman mga kabahay, meron tayong ground floor toilet and bath. Complete fixtures din po ito upon turnover. On this area naman mga kabahay, ang ating staircase ay made of concrete and tiles. Meron tayong metal railings and as you can see, may fixed window tayo dito and high ceiling ang ating property. Kaya pwede tayo maglagay dito ng magandang chandelier. On this area mga kabahay, sa ating second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms and 1 common toilet and bath. So, check natin ang ating common toilet and bath. As you can see, ito po ay complete fixtures din and meron itong shower enclosure. Let's check bedroom number 1. So as you can see dito sa ating bedroom number 1, it can accommodate a double-sized bed. Meron tayong malaking window, may provision for window type aircon, may built-in cabinet and vanity area. Bedroom number 2. So same as bedroom number 1, meron tayo dito built-in cabinet and it can accommodate a double-sized bed with provision for window type aircon and vanity area. Ito naman mga kabahay ang ating master's bedroom. So dito sa ating master's bedroom, kaya dito mag-accommodate ng queen size bed. Meron tayong malaking windows on both sides. And ang kagandahan dito sa ating master's bedroom, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath and access going to our balcony. So dito sa ating master's bedroom, meron din tayong walk-in closet on both sides before tayo makapasok sa ating toilet and bath. Let's check mga kabayan ang ating balcony dito sa ating master's bedroom. So as you can see, very spacious ang ating balcony. Ang good thing pa dito sa ating RFO, ito po ay in front lamang ng ating basketball court and clubhouse. If you're interested kabahay to view this property, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. I am Von Charlie Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching.